So we are here at 9484 Falling Embers Lane in Ladson. It is cute as can be. This neighborhood is fabulous. If you want a really great neighborhood with friendly neighbors that look out for each other, kids can play in the street, even though we don't really want them to, but at least everybody looks out for each other. They have stop signs in this neighborhood that are solar powered. So we are thinking ahead and trying to look out for each other. And if I'm looking for a house that falls into this budget range and it's right down the street from work for me, this is really cool. You got to check this out.